What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning into Stock Essentials. My name is Alex, and today we're going to be going over Torchlight Energy Resources, one of the hottest stocks in the market right now. Ticker symbol TRCH. I know when I posted that poll the other day on what stocks you're watching this week, I know a lot of you said you're watching TRCH, and I can see why. There's a lot of good news around it. It's basically a short squeeze, as we can see here. It's up 122% the past week, with the biggest moves being last Friday, as well as today, Monday, being up over 65%, combining today and after hours. So a lot of people are making money. And the crazy thing is, this was at a 52-week low of 21 cents. And now it's at $10.88. It's a huge move for the stock. As we can see, that's around a 2,500% return if you bought the stock on the lows. Yeah, because I mean, this was a penny stock. It was at very low levels. Short interest went up, so a lot of retail investors, the Wall Street Bets Reddit users, they saw the increase in the short interest and they took advantage of this by buying up the stock. If we take a look at the short interest on Torchlight Energy Resources, it's been relatively no short interest until recently. On Tuesday, June 15th, that's when the retail investors saw the spike in the stock price, as well as the short interest. So they took advantage of this very high short interest here. And they're just buying it up, causing the stock price to squeeze even further. So right now, in the short term, people are very bullish on it, especially after Torchlight Energy announces their special dividend. Now, we don't know the exact amount, but they're declaring a special dividend to all shareholders holding the stock before June 25. So if you have some extra cash and you want to throw in some money onto this, you can qualify for that special dividend that will be for June 25. So there's also other good news. The company is going to make a deal with Metamaterials before the end of the month. So this is basically what's causing the short squeeze. Some bullish news causing people to buy into it and causing the short sellers to lose a ton of money. The short sellers are going to be down a lot of money as the stock keeps getting higher and higher. And the best news is with the special dividend is the short sellers are going to have to pay the dividend to the people they're lending the stock out to. So this is going to be very detrimental for these short sellers because they're not only going to be losing on the short position, but they also have to pay out the dividend to the person that they are lending the stock to. So this is why Torchlight Energy Resources is going to be very interesting on how the stock price moves, as well as how detrimental it will be for the short sellers and how much money they will end up losing. So everyone, you check out Torchlight Energy Resources. It has a lot of upwards momentum right now. And if we check out the options, they had to add some new strike prices, the $15 strike all the way up to $20 strike, just because of how fast Torchlight Resources has been flying. As we can see, it's been flying past all these strike prices. So they had to keep adding more strike prices in order to accommodate the flying stock price. So that's what's happening with Torchlight Energy Resources right now. The dividend, special dividend, buy the stock before June 24th, and you will qualify for it. And you will also help drive the stock price further, as well as hurt some short sellers who are lending out stocks and having to pay out those dividends. So we can see a huge run-ups continue and then before June 24, because these short sellers want to get out of this short position so they don't have to just to cut losses on the short position, as well as not paying out that dividend, the special dividend. And these special dividends generally are a lot higher than expected. The normal dividends like when Costco announced a special dividend, they paid out $10 per share, which is pretty hefty. So these special dividends are no joke. They pay out a lot more than normal dividends, but they are a special dividend. So they are a one-time thing because it's a lot higher than normal. So that's about it for this video. Quick update on Torchlight Energy Resources. Hot stock to watch. Leave a like if you like the video. Comment down below what your thoughts are on Torchlight. Are you buying it? Do you think it's going to sell off? What are your thoughts? Leave a comment down below. And of course, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Helps out a lot. Thanks for watching.